What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a blessed day out there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a shoe that I accidentally doubled up on. So originally I got a free slot for a shoe that was releasing on the SNKRS app, and I had forgot to cancel it because I had pretty much already secured my pair locally. But I ended up forgetting all about the slot, which ended up hitting, so now I have an accidental double up. But anyways, let's get into it and see the shoe that I'm talking about. So this is the pair that I got from online. This came in a couple of days ago, so let's go ahead and crack into it. And Nike is still sending out packages with this stupid tape, bro. Like, this is so annoying, man. Luckily, I haven't had a package that's been stolen since they've started doing this, so that's a good thing. But let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So at least they taped it good. All right, so let's get rid of the box. Finally. Took me like 50 tries, but as you can see, we have a red Nike box, and on the label we have Nike Air Max 90 QS. Retail price was $160, and the colorway is Mars Stone Magma Orange. So let's go ahead and take a look, and boom, the Mars Landing Air Max 90. So let's take a look here. So originally when this shoe before it first came out, these are kind of going a little bit over retail, around like maybe I want to say about $230, $240. And after the release, they totally bricked. Like, these shoes you could probably get under retail right now on StockX. And there's a lot of people who, you know, are flipping back and forth. I just think that some people got caught up in the hype, and they were expecting these to do the same numbers as the Moon Landings, which is a shoe that I missed out on. I've been wanting for a while, but as you can see, the resale prices are like $600, $700, $800, depending on what size you are looking for. At first, I didn't like them. And then as the release date got closer and closer, these actually grew on me, so I ended up scooping up a pair. So like I was saying earlier, I was able to get 2 pairs. I wasn't really expecting to get 2 pairs, but I had already had a pair locally that I had secured up. Forgot all about the slots that I had on the SNKRS app. Somebody's running the slots for me for free. And luckily, I only hit 1 pair on SNKRS because I had about 2 or 3 slots. So it could have been worse, but I'm gonna go ahead and probably just, you know, hook somebody up for retail on a pair, since that's what they're going for. There's moon detailings all around. There's like a screen printed image of the Mars. I keep saying moon, of Mars going all the way around the shoe. And if you use the flash on the shoe, it's gonna bright up to 3M, which is going to change the color of the shoe. Right now, without any flash or anything, just in normal lighting, it looks like a regular orange, but when you put the flash on it, it lights up to like a faded yellowish kind of color. But yeah, to me, this is a dope shoe. Nice concept to it. Got the black midsole with the speckling. I believe this also is 3M as well, the little silver speckles in the shoe. On the tongue, we have the gray metallic silver Nike patch on the tongue, and then also on the back on the heel tab we have Nike Air on the heel. On the inside of the shoe, it looks like we have another image of the Mars design on it, and it comes with 2 extra laces. I've already done a lace swap. Actually, I've already und'd one of my pairs, so let me go ahead and grab this one right here. So I've done the lace swap. So this is how I did this pair right here. So to me, this is the best lace option that they give us. And also on the gray part of the laces, that's also 3M as well. On the bottom, it's translucent right here. And I've already taken a few pictures in these shoes. If you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check out my Instagram. I know some people got caught up in the hype, and you know, now they're just stuck with shoes that they don't like. That's why it's very important to buy shoes that you actually like instead of just going with the hype. You know, we've all been there before, you know, impulse buying and all that, but I'm glad that I was able to pick them up. And it wasn't really that hard to get. I'm pretty sure a lot of people who actually wanted the shoe got the shoe just because they actually released more pairs than what was expected. And for this to be a quick strike, there was a lot of pairs available. So hopefully if you were going for these, you were able to get them. More than likely you probably were. And if not, you know, you're not really gonna have to go that much out of your pocket, outside of your budget to get them, because these are actually going under retail. So you probably get them cheaper than what I got them on release day. And Air Max Day is one of these coming up days. I'm not really sure when this is gonna post. It might post after or before, but anyways, go ahead and be sure to click on the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And with that said, I'm gonna get out of here. I will catch you guys later. Peace.